Hello, friends. Welcome back to 70 by 70. Today, I'm going to take you to a tropical rainforest. Where? In Amazon? No. In Africa? No. In US soil. Yes, we are still in Puerto Rico and it has gotten unique climatic conditions, and we will be visiting a tropical rainforest called El Yunque. Come on, let's go. El Yunque is the only tropical rainforest that is in the US National Forest System today. But it is also a sacred place for the Puerto Rican culture. The Taino people were a historic indigenous people of Puerto Rico, and many believe the name of El Yunque comes from Yukau, the Taino deity of fertility. But today, this national treasure is an excellent destination if you want to immerse yourself in nature. Morning around 8 o'clock, we are driving down to a rainforest, I suppose. We are trying to pick up our car which we parked here last night. Let's enjoy the drive this morning. We are at the El Yunque National Park. We arrived here after a drive of about an hour. Located at the main park entrance, the beautiful El Portal Visitors Complex is a great place to begin your journey. A short walk brought us to the entrance, where there were all the information about what you can see inside. And from there, it was another 5 minutes walk before we reached the information center. And I should say it was one of the scenic walks that I have ever had. We paused in a lot of places to enjoy the beauty before we really entered the information center.
So beautiful.
Around this visitors center, there is an accessible interpretive trail that circles the property, along with opportunities to spot some endangered parrots, and other amenities include even exhibits, programs, restrooms, a gift shop, and even a cafe.
95% India was deforested.
India,
This whole island.
94% deforested.
அப்போ 1930 அப்புறம் திரும்பி வளர்த்துருக்காங்க எல்லாத்தையும் இந்த ஜங்கிள்.
The exhibits in the center were so informative and interactive. See what I found. I believe the whole forest was deforested because of human activity before 1934, and the whole forest was revived after a great effort by the government. Well, that's something big job. It was fun and informative, especially for children. For them, there were a lot of interactive games that they could play while learning. But there was one activity which really impressed me. I will show you what it is towards the end of this video. We are looking for some food, looking for the cafe. Yeah, we found one. It was a well laid restaurant with a basic menu, but we could get whatever we wanted. And not only that, in this floor, there was a theater which was showing a movie about the history of this El Enqui forest and its habitats, its animals, its flora and fauna, everything, which was really enjoyable. We are on a discovery trail, a short trail which will take you back to your parking lot. We want to try the small trail first before attempting anything which is more difficult. Let's see how where this takes us. A winding path goes down. Let's walk. One of the most popular things to do here in Yunque is hiking. There are a lot of trails, long ones, short ones, which take you inside the forest, take you to a small waterfall, a pond. It was very interesting to check everything, but due to our time constraint, we chose a small one. This is a science and conservation trail. We're just starting our walk. Looks inviting. Let's see how difficult it's going to be.
Very different. Hardwoods, perennials, அதெல்லாம் அங்க fauna is very different here.
Wow, that looks very inviting.
Yep.
The path was so lush and thick, we felt as if we are really walking inside a forest. I can see a board. Let's see what it is. Oh, so again, some artist stuff. What's this?
Primordial dwelling.
Place to rest.
காட்டுல கடத்தி வச்சு பிரைமோடியலா ஒரு வீடு மாதிரி பண்ணி உள்ள ஒரு டார்ச்சை தொங்க விட்டு நானும் மதனும் உட்காந்துருப்போம். அதான் என்னோட ஸ்பெஷல் சீக்ரெட் பிளேஸ் 7ஆம் கிளாஸ்ல 8ஆம் கிளாஸ்ல அந்த மாசத்துக்கு வந்துருக்கு பாருங்க.
No, that's where they flower or they get their
Stamen.
bloom. Yes.
So cute. So huge. இங்க பாருங்கப்பா.
What's this? One of the arts. To make your walk interesting and not feeling monotonous, they had kept a lot of exhibits here and there on the way, which makes your walk more interesting.
படிச்சு துன்புறுத்தத்துக்கு எதுவும் இல்லை. அந்த போவா பார்த்தேன்.
மான் கூட இல்ல. In total, it was about a half an hour walk, but it was not tiring. Maybe because of the environment, we were re energized. And we walked finally into the gift shop. Souvenir shop. Inside. The parrot seems to be the iconic bird in this area.
I give my pledge as a junior forest ranger to save and faithfully defend the natural resources.
This is the activity I was talking to you about to encourage the conservation of nature in children's minds. They have this competition which allows you to answer a few questions, and when you reach the center, they give you a badge, and the children are so impressed. Wow, what a way to motivate children!
போட்டிருந்தது
ஆ
அதெல்லாம் யூ காட்டுன்னு
என்னது
அவனோட டெஸ்க்டாப்பில் இதில்
அதெல்லாம் நீ ஆன்லைன் ஆன்சர் சொன்னேன்னா உனக்கு ஒரு சின்ன பேட்ச் எல்லா பேட்சையும் முடிச்சுன்னா ஒரு பெரிய பேட்ச் கையில் கொடுத்தானே இப்போ நம்மளுக்கு கொடுத்தாலே டூ கியூட்ஸ்.
Having experienced the rainforest, we drove back to the capital, San Juan. In the evening, we spent some time walking along the beach, and we were thinking yesterday we had dinner at an Oriental restaurant in Istanbul. Today we should find an Indian restaurant. We started looking, and guess what we got finally? Look what we found today. India in Puerto Rico. Dinner tonight. Let's see what we are going to get. Let's go in. Looks like a small place. Let's see what we are going to find. It was a small restaurant with a seating capacity of about 20 seats, but it had a good Indian menu. We could get whatever we wanted for a nice Indian flavored dinner. It was run by a North Indian family. There were just two of them, and they really handled everything nicely. They were very friendly, and as usual, I started talking to them. And it seems they had moved to Puerto Rico from UK after spending some time there. Anyway, the fun was they gave even our dessert free. Maybe an Indian. If you want to travel to a lot more places like this with me, why don't you subscribe, share, and like this channel? Thanks for watching. We'll meet again.